Governor Pritzker expressing dismay over the airport chaos. He also took another huge step toward curbing the spread of COVID-19. CBS 2's Jeremy Ross is live outside the Thompson Center tonight. Jeremy?
Well, Jim, health leaders describing the latest number of cases as growing exponentially. At this time, no reported deaths here in Illinois, and the governor is taking more aggressive measures to slow the virus.
I am ordering all bars and restaurants in the state of Illinois to close to the public as of the close of business Monday night, March 16th, through March 30th. We are working with restaurant owners and food delivery services across the state to see if restaurants can safely keep their kitchens open so the restaurants can continue food delivery to people at their homes.
Now, during that 2-week period, most of those businesses will close their doors. Drive-through and curbside pickup from restaurants. The Illinois Restaurant Association supporting that decision, emphasizing the health of its workers and customers. Based on their 2018 numbers, this means temporarily closing down more than 25,000 restaurants and bars. That amounts to hundreds of thousands of jobs on hold. As for kids, CPS is giving food to any child. No questions asked. Grab and go pickup for breakfast and lunch for television for children under age 18 from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. will happen daily. Kids can go to any school building to get food. Health officials now confirming 93 cases of coronavirus in the state. They add most with the virus are recovering or recovered. That is a jump of 27. And now COVID-19 can be found in 13 counties with medical personnel issuing the warning. You should assume the virus is in your community. As for what happened at O'Hare last night, some call that a miscommunication, others a debacle.
Instead of being alerted by federal Customs and Border Patrol, my administration learned through Twitter about the unacceptable and frankly dangerous situation at O'Hare International Airport, one of the nation's and the world's busiest airports.
They have to get more personnel at Customs and Border Patrol. We don't need more ICE members. We need more screeners.
This is cell phone video showing the massive lines and crowds last night as people waited to be screened by agents at O'Hare with Customs and Border Protection and health officials. Now, the governor and mayor say the White House and vice president admitted mistakes were made and we should expect double the personnel going forward. Mayor Lightfoot saying that includes deputizing members of the Chicago Fire Department to be screeners. She added that the federal government needs to do a better job of listening to local government going forward rather than acting on its own. The next scheduled briefing for this taking place tomorrow at 2:30 in the afternoon. Live outside the Thompson Center, Jeremy Ross, CBS 2 News. Jim.
Enormous widespread impact. Thank you, Jeremy.